My name is Karen Jones. I am the owner and founder of Love My Bubbles. And in this video, I want to address a frequently asked question that we get regarding our padding. Now, if you're here, you are probably aware that Bubbles is known for our padding, not just for the bra, but for the backside and the hips. We use two main types of material to make our padding, foam and silicone. A lot of people want to know what's the difference. Foam comes with many of our panty pad sets. We do have some panty pad sets that come just with silicone, but the majority of our panty pad sets include a pair of foam pads, and then we offer an option of adding silicone. So people want to know, well, why would I want to add silicone when I'm already getting foam pads? Well, the silicone is considered more of a premium option because it feels more realistic to the touch. Because of that, when you're wearing it, it feels more like an extension of your own body. It sort of moves with your body as you're walking, and it can give even a more confident feeling because of that. Now, foam, the advantage to it is that it is more economical and it's more lightweight. So some people find it more comfortable to wear. But again, the silicone really is the more popular option because of its ultra realistic look and feel. If you have any questions about our padding, any of our products for that matter, please chat with us or give us a call. Visit lovemybubbles.com for more information. Thanks for watching.